On this episode of Cooking with Grandpa, we are going to be making corn fritters. You know, corn fritters, when I looked it up, and I did a little bit of research on this, there's 1,000,001 recipes. Some are made with cornmeal, some aren't. All of them pretty much have corn in them of some kind. They kind of derive from the old Indian slapjacks, which were a cornmeal pancake. It's all over the board. So, to get this started, we are going to cook these on a little griddle on the stove. But to get this started, I'm going to take my SHTF cornbread, which this is the mix that I've used in a couple of videos, or at least another video so far. And to this, I'm going to add two ounces, or half a can, oh, can I do this? Of cream style corn. And I'm not measuring, I'm just kind of pouring. And then we're going to add a third of a cup of water. And I'm going to seal this bag up. We're going to mix this right in the bag. And we're looking for something that's about the consistency of pancake batter. Yep, there we go. And that is just about the right consistency. So, we're going to set that down, let that hydrate up a little. Because I'm going to get this griddle down. In order to do this, I'm going to have to move the coffee pot. Now, I'm going to set that griddle right down there. It's almost like it was made for it. Right now we're heating this griddle up. Getting it nice and toasty. We're getting close. So take a bit of that morning pig. Oh yeah. Now, one of the reasons to do your bacon first is this cast iron will lap up some of that grease, some of that good old bacon grease. That'll help lubricate it. We won't have to add oils to it to cook the corn fritters. First bit of bacon looks done. Alright, now to do these corn fritters, I'm going to open up this bag and use this spoon to reach in, pull some out, and put it on the griddle. There we go. The corn fritters are cooked a little like pancakes. Well, they don't cook like pancakes. And like pancakes, you're watching the bubbles. So if you watch at the top here, there's one there, and there's one there. So right now they're around the outside edges, and you see the bubbles popping up and popping. When those bubbles get into the middle of the pancake, and there's one there, or the corn fritter, they're pretty much ready to be turned over. And corn fritters, like pancakes, don't take very long to cook. And once you flip them over, you're kind of checking how stiff they are, and looking underneath. It's getting pretty close. We'll check it just to be sure by poking the middle of it. Oh yeah, it's done. Alright. These are small, so since there's plenty left in the bag, we will pour out 3 more. And you can tell by looking at these, the griddle's actually hotter on this side than it is on this side. It's partly because that second burner doesn't burn quite as hot as that first burner. But we're making do. Alright. So there we have it. Corn fritters and bacon. I'm gonna butter out here. Put a little butter on it. Drizzle it with some pancake syrup. Well, there's a lot of things you could use other than pancake syrup. Honey is one that's pretty popular. These always turn out good. Cooked all the way through, just like it's supposed to be. So the cream style sweet corn adds corn to it, but it also adds sweetness.